Alright guys, welcome to Blue Line Garage. Right now we just finished up on our trailer build at all. We got a breakaway system here, we got a splice box here. Everything is brand new. Everything's been grinded down and painted. Got a breakaway installed. We were able to fix the center jack. Got a pin in there. Put some lights on. These lights are just going to be temporary. We got the floor decking down. It looks beautiful. Everything's been painted. Got new fenders on, new tire. Got new brake lights here, nice and brand new. Painted everything up. The one less thing we just need to do is just put some reflective tape on there, but that's not a big deal. And then we got everything down. It's looking good. It's a 20-foot trailer, flatbed, heavy duty. That's it. So let's go ahead and just put the reflective tape on real quick, see how it looks, and then we'll finish this off. Alright, check this out. We're now completely done, 100%. Put that reflective tape on there. Looks good. Even got it going back here. Got a little strip right here in the middle. Along this side. It's not too bad. Alright, well, leave your comments. Let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I got a bunch of other videos coming out. Other than that, Blue Line Garage, that's how we do.